Hello and welcome to Sanchay CRM. Let's get you started with setting up the mobile app. Step 1 is the installation. For this, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Sanchay CRM and tap install. Now, I already have this app installed, so let's move on to the step 2, which is login. For this, get your login credentials from your CRM admin, enter your details and hit login. And just like that, you are in. Now, step 3 is to grant important permissions. To ensure smooth functioning, especially for automatic call logging, you need to allow a few permissions. Now, first is this log calls permission. This will allow the app to automatically log all incoming and outgoing calls with your clients, so every conversation gets tracked. Please note that iPhones don't support call logging due to Apple's system restrictions, so this feature works only on Android. Also, for Android users, to ensure call logging works reliably, open the Sanchay CRM app once a day and keep it running in the background. Now, if your phone has battery saver on, you might miss call pop-ups. So, for best results, turn battery saver off for Sanchay CRM. Here, tap OK and allow phone access when prompted. Next is the display over other apps permission. Now this permission enables live pop-ups on your screen during calls, showing clients details in real time. Here tap OK, then it will load the settings. Go to Sanchay CRM and enable this. That's it. Your Sanchay CRM app is now ready to help you manage leads, tasks, meetings and client conversations anytime and anywhere. Thank you for watching.